In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription with Dropbox. If you want to stop your Dropbox subscription, the good news is that the process is pretty straightforward when you do it from the Dropbox website. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. Start by going to the Dropbox website in your web browser. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your usual login details. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you have more than one Dropbox account for personal or work use. That can help you avoid making changes to the wrong subscription. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu where you'll find several options related to your Dropbox settings and subscription. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage different parts of your account. Once you're there, click the Plan tab. The Plan section is where Dropbox shows your current subscription details, including the type of plan you're on and your billing information. In the Plan tab, look for the option that says Manage Plan or Cancel Plan. The wording can vary slightly depending on your account type or the version of the page you see, but it will lead you to the subscription management area. Click that option to continue. Dropbox will then guide you through the cancellation process. Follow the prompts on the screen carefully. In some cases, you may be asked to confirm your choice more than once. This is normal, and it's there to make sure you don't cancel by accident. When prompted, confirm the cancellation to complete the process. Before you finish, it's a good idea to read any information Dropbox shows about what happens next. For example, your paid features may remain active until the end of your current billing period, and your account may later switch back to the free plan. Reviewing those details can help you understand when the change will take effect. Once you've confirmed everything, your cancellation should be processed. If you want extra peace of mind, you can return to the plan section afterward and check that the subscription status has been updated. And that's it. That's how to cancel your subscription with Dropbox through the Dropbox website.